have two questions. First is how long one simulation will take?
It's different depending on the shape or complexity of the design I want. This is kind of some difficult according to my professor because this, the geotech is very difficult to make some shape in the metal casting. But the reason why I decided the design is, I want to, make sure that even the model has the difficult, complicated shape. I can make, I can simulate with the Megaman program. So each simulation is just 30 minutes or 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah. Even the mesh, because I have to make after making the 3D modeling and to move to convert the data on Megaman program, I have to mesh. That means I have to make the very small, tiny the mesh on the all surface of the model and 10,000, yeah, 10,000, 1 million meshes, and yeah, the how many meshes I made is the influence the time to simulate by using the Megaman program.
The second question is how much your simulation tool?
How much?
How much?
Very expensive. The Megaman program is developed by the German company.
Yeah.
I don't know exactly how much is the program, but very expensive. So some of my Chinese guys, they already made the copy program.
So you gotta purchase the program?
No, my department purchased this program. Yeah.
I wonder how accurate the software is. So does it always predict result accurately, or there's any cases?
Yeah, that's a good question. Even though the many the engineers are using the Megaman program, people making the real metal casting to find any casting defect. But there are some porosity. The Megaman program is not perfect to 100% find the porosity, but they can find some the dangerous location. Yes, like this. Like this. Yeah.
Major errors.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, in my area, simulation doesn't predict much.
Yeah, I think, yeah, but
So,
yeah, I can't guarantee the Megaman program is 100% is very, something precise to find, any metal casting defect.
Are you expecting to validate this with some experiment? Are you expecting to validate these simulations with some experiment? Experiment. Yeah, with a experiment, a normal experiment. Just not computer simulation, if not making it with an experiment.
You mean it's possible to make metal casting without the computer simulation, or?
No, what I mean, you have some simulation that shows you which is the porosity.
Which is porosity?
Yeah.
Real product?
Yeah, exactly. So normally how it works is you make the simulation, then you cannot trust 100% in the program.
Right.
So you have to do an experiment that validate the simulation.
Do you understand his question?
No.
So this is all about simulation, right?
Yes.
So there might be some discrepancy between what is happening during simulation and what is actually happening in real world. So are you planning to do some sort of experiment to validate your simulation?
Actually, that is complete to just a simulation with this measurement program. I didn't do any experiment. Just the purpose of this project is to find and to make a formula with using the measurement software to find any defect in metal casting design. And so next semester, if I change to work with my professor, I will focus on two more exact, some experiment to find the defect of metal casting to make a real design of the product. Thank you.
Okay, all right, so we'll just stop here and